Silence, Father, I will tell my tale. Then you may sleep, if you can. It takes place across the sea. I witnessed it. I saw it. I was there. I caused it. Don't you find loud shouts and screams spooky? I did, but not any longer. I was walking across a town square. I don't remember the country. It's dead now, after all. It wasn't night. To me, the night is not frightening. The night is a series of shadows that mystifies the horrendous and gross acts of man. This occurred during the day, when it was sunny out. I could see everything. There was no question. I saw a bakery. My unit was disbanded to the depths of hell, so I didn't need anyone's permission. I walked across the square with only my skin and my gun. My clothes I had burned underground, as they were infested with illnesses you have never experienced or heard of. Oh, now you know I am not done. Try and sleep, and I will only speak louder. I will only become harder to ignore. Wasn't night. I arrived at the bakery, entered it. The baker and his wife, who may have also been a baker, I never found out for what was real. The baker and his wife greeted me, but said that they were not open yet. I said, "You are open now." They said, "We are not." I said, "You are mistaken in your understanding of the situation." I shot them in their Christ-fucking faces, splattering much blood and human bone chips on the donuts I so desired. I ate them anyway. I was so used to eating my own skin that blood was a welcome friend at this point. I can only sleep. That's my choice. I want some now. Human blood, human bone chips. I shot them in their Christ-fucking faces. In their fucking faces. I can only sleep. That's my choice.